Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to see all the brown lipsticks that I own. So now without any further ado, in no particular order, let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to stay notified about all my future uploads, and this is absolutely free. All my other social media accounts will be linked in the description box below, so you can follow me over there as well. And now, happy watching!
The first lipstick that I'm going to talk about is the Maybelline Matte Collection. It is in the shade Nude Nuance. Now guys, if you don't know about this lip color, where are you guys living? Everybody loved this color when it launched. Like Touch of Spice and Nude Nuance were like booming in the market. This is such a beautiful brown color. Like, you know, there are a lot of people who don't like to wear browns because of brown being very loud. Like if you see this color, this is a deep chocolatey brown, and there are a lot of people who do not want to wear such colors. For those people, this is such a beautiful color. Like on fair skin tones, this will go on as a brown color, whereas for deeper skin tones, it will look like a beautiful nude shade. Like it flatters every skin color. Everybody can wear this, and that is the beauty of this shade. So this was my first lipstick, that is the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. The next lipstick that I have is my favorite thing to drink. Lipstick to drink. Jokes aside, this is the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. Let's just not get started with how much I love chai. Like, chai is not a drink for me, it's like an emotion. खुशी में चाय, गम में चाय, weak feel कर रही हूँ तो चाय, बहुत energetic feel कर रही हूँ तो चाय. Like chai is just there all the time with me. I just cannot get over chai. So yeah, I have it in the shade Chai, and it's a very beautiful color. This is the color. It's like चाय में ज़्यादा दूध नहीं मिक्स करेंगे ना तो जैसा कलर आएगा वैसा कलर है इसका. I love it. The next color is the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Chocolate Truffle. Now this is the shade that I'm wearing. It is a deep chocolatey brown color. Wait, yeah, this is how it looks like. This is the color. It's a very deep brown, so people who really like to wear deep brown colors, this is something you should really try. The last lipstick from Nykaa in this video is the shade Madras Kapi. Now YouTubers have like raved about this color like anything. This is such a universally flattering brown. Like wow, it's a nude brown. It's a clearly nude brown, and it's such a universally flattering brown. Like fair skin tones can wear it as a brown shade, whereas deeper skin tones can wear it as a nude shade. It's just a beautiful color. The next shade I have is from the Lakme 9 to 5 Lip and Cheek Mousse, and this is in the color Coffee Light. Now, I can't even get started with how much I love this color. This is how Coffee Light looks like. It's again a universally flattering brown color. It will look good on all shades. Fair skin tones wear it as a brown color. Deep skin tones can wear it as a nude color, and that's the reason I really love this. So that was Coffee Light. The second last brown lipstick that I have is the Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. Now it's such a beautiful formula. This is the color. It's a light brown color. It's a nude brown color. It is such a beautiful formula. Like I can't even tell you how comfortable it feels, and it doesn't go. Like even if the lipstick transfers, it leaves back such a beautiful lip stain that it almost looks like you're still wearing the lip color. Like you're never going to stay without color if you happen to wear this on your lips. So that was Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. The last lip color I have in this brown range is the Lakme Enrich lip crayon in the shade Brown Cinnamon. It's such an MLBB brown color shade. Like, I haven't seen a brown color that is as beautiful as this. This is not like an on the face brown color, nor is it like a very light brown color. It's just the perfect brown for everyone, and everyone can wear this shade. So yeah, that was that. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked all the brown lipsticks that I showed y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.